Remove the seat. Remove the refill bag's guide. Tears open the package. Remember the arrow is facing upwards. Open it and put it on the base like a wreath to ensure it is flat. Tear off the 4 tapes separately. Buckle up the refill bag's guide. Make sure it doesn't pinch the refill bags. Check if this is fastened properly. Find the outermost layer of the refill bags and pull it out. Grab the opening with one hand and lower it down from the pit. Use the clamps to find the position of the wheels and push it down hard. You can also place the jig lightly on the roller and press the manual button to move it down, along the direction of the wheel. Cover the seat. Turn on the power at the back. Press and hold the red button to start. Wait a moment. Take out the first refill bag, and you will find that only one side is sealed, and the other side is open. Then you can use the toilet normally.